Despite Kenya's climate being relatively fair with regards to water availability, supplemented by the continuous rains, many Kenyans both in semi-arid areas and in urban areas still suffer acute water shortages. In an effort to minimize the shortages, Water Cabinet Secretary Eugene Wamalwa says the government is drilling boreholes in various parts of the country to facilitate the implementation of water projects. These efforts have received a shot in the arm from the Saudi Arabian government, which has given Kenya 500 million shillings grant to go towards implementation of water projects in Northern Kenya.
We will be receiving from them $5 million towards development of access to water, particularly in Northern Kenya. And Ibrahim, we're very grateful that the 500 million that we will be receiving from the Saudi Fund for Development, which is a grant and it's not a loan.
Wamalwa further says that once the last mile electricity connection project in all public schools is completed in the next few weeks, next in line with the installation of water in all schools, with the rollout expected to start in a few weeks' time, starting with schools in the northern part of the country.
Schools in Northern Kenya face the greatest difficulties, particularly for primary school going children. The conditions are much harsher in the northern part of Kenya than other parts of the country. So as we plan to launch this program, we want to start from the ASAL areas. We have mapped out all the schools in Northern Kenya, and we will be working in partnership with the county governments, particularly of the 14 ASAL counties in the north.
In the same line, Water Services Trust Fund Chairman Muskari Kombo says they have been able to connect over 5 million Kenyans with water in the last 3 years and are targeting to double this number by 2019.
At the moment, we are operating on a budget of about 3 billion shillings, 3 billion Kenya shillings, giving water to the poor. Now, this program of schools, and when we talk about schools, we are also talking about the surrounding communities. So when we give water to the schools, we will ensure that the surrounding community and schools are within communities as far as we are concerned.
Nicholas Nduati, News Hour Business.